This is our hidden charging station inside of our vanity. But before we get into the install, let's talk about the why. This whole story starts with disorganization and my despise for clutter. Every time I'm brushing my teeth with my electric toothbrush, it ends up here, or maybe here. So this got me thinking, how can I improve my countertop organization during my current bathroom remodel? Well, when performing research, I found a solution, an in-drawer outlet, the docking drawer system. Well, that was a fast delivery. Let's get started with the install. For this project, I started with the unboxing and then started organizing all the materials. This kit comes with everything you need, minus the caffeine. Yeah, that's just for me. So in terms of the instructions, I think it should be pretty straightforward. Let's just jump right into it. We're going to be doing 2 in-drawer outlets. Hopefully this first one goes smoothly. And it looks like we're going to start with cutting the hole for the outlet. But honestly, this doesn't look accurate. Maybe we do need those instructions. Ah, yes, the template. Here we go. Let's get these holes cut. The instructions call for drilling some guide holes and then using a jigsaw blade. Honestly, this feels kind of bad cutting into these drawers. I spent so much time perfecting them. But it's all going to be worth it for the cleanliness and the organization. And it's looking good. Let's move on to the second drawer. But first, I need to change out this jigsaw blade. Speaking of organization, I have no idea where my other blades are. Disorganization. And it doesn't stop just at my tools. It happens at my desk, it happens in the kitchen, and it happens with my laundry. Anyways, back to looking for jigsaw blades. Okay, I could have used that one last week. And here it is. Okay, let's change this blade out. A sharp blade is always going to result in a cleaner cut. And now to cut the second hole in the second drawer. We decided to go with this second drawer outlet because we figured the more hidden charging stations, the better. If I have a designated spot for things, it's going to help me stay organized. Well, everything's looking really good. Let's jump right into the next step. Time to mount the outlets in the boxes. All it takes is a couple provided wood screws, and then slap a plate cover on. I love projects where we do the same thing a second time. That second time is just so much easier. And at this point, everything's looking really good. The only not good thing is, I was a little hungry. Okay, I'm feeling much better. Let's get into this bracket install. So this is going to be a little troubleshooting. How the heck am I going to reach this bracket to screw into the back of the wall? Well, I don't want to crack my back out, so I think I'm going to go underneath. This way I don't have to be in as awkward of a position. But I had one problem. It was kind of dark in there and I needed a light source. And that's much better. Let's continue. And now I can actually see what I'm doing and mark the holes for screwing. And unfortunately I need to use these because I'm screwing into drywall. The question is which one. I think the one with the supplied drill bit. So I pre-drilled all my holes for the anchors and I made sure not to hit any water lines or electrical. Final step, screwing the brackets in until my hands cramp. And that's looking pretty good. Let's plug it into our outlet. And let's double check all the electrical. And that's a wrap, and we're ready for the reveal. Except that's a little underwhelming, so let's make it look better. So the docking drawer was a great option for us to have an outlet inside of our drawer. It was also a safe option. Its mechanical arm on the back holds the cable out of the way when opening and closing the drawer. And for extra safety, they do have another option that de-energizes when you close the drawer. We're super happy with this project. Let me know what you think. Would you do this?